A bank teller noticed something strange in her computer system. Veterans' disability checks were disappearing. Angela could have looked the other way. It wasn't her department, but her grandfather was a Vietnam veteran who depended on those same benefits for his medicine. She dug deeper and found a horrifying pattern. Her own supervisors were selling veterans' personal information to criminals who were draining their accounts. When she reported it, management offered her a deal. Transfer to another branch, keep quiet, keep her job. She had a choice, her career or her conscience. Angela chose the veterans. She secretly copied the evidence and called the FBI. Her bosses demoted her. Co-workers avoided her. She faced losing everything, but she kept fighting. The investigation uncovered a $2.8 million fraud ring. 400 veterans had been robbed. 15 people went to prison. Angela was promoted to head the bank's new Veteran Services Department. She said later, "I could have saved my job by staying silent. Instead, I saved my soul by speaking up. One decision changed everything."